Jameson.
Where's Mama?
Hi. Are you going to push the stroller? That's great. Here we are at the Four Seasons. And Jameson is going to push the stroller through the hotel. You hear somebody laughing? Jameson.
Jameson. Jameson.
What you doing, Baba? Mm-hmm. What are you doing? You've got the keychain?
Jameson. Can Daddy have a kiss? Jameson. Jameson. Can Daddy have a kiss?
He's gonna pull that over, isn't he?
Jameson. Jameson.
Jameson, can you give Daddy a kiss?
Daddy.
Can you give Daddy a kiss? Jameson. Can you give Daddy a kiss? Oh, and he's off. And here I am alone in a beautiful room that used to be a cloister or a monastery or a convent. Sorry. Pretty.